Hello everyone, this is GP Monkey here. Today I am gonna show you how to change your bike exhaust with just two basic steps, and I'll be showing you the sound comparison of the bike before and after the exhaust is changed. So without further delay, let's jump into the video. First of all, we have to remove these two nuts. To remove these nuts, we need to have number 6 Allen key. I thought we have this key in our tools box inside the bike, but in the toolbox there is only number 5 Allen key, so I need to buy them. Once we remove those nuts, we have to place the new exhaust in the same pattern and screw the nuts same way as before. For this, I have used Acromovic slip-on exhaust. We need to take out the DV killer so that the sound of the exhaust gets louder with the high bass. As you have already seen, there are just two basic steps to remove and replace the new exhaust. So that's why we do not need to go anywhere to don it replace. We simply can do it by ourselves. So talking about the exhaust note, I find it very better than that of the stock ones. So if you guys also like to have high bass sound in your bike, you can simply replace it. This much for today. If you guys like my video, please do subscribe, share and hit the like button. Thank you.